Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining my session on project management professional discussion. And we'll be going in detail about it. This is Sohan Nautiyal, Dr. Sohan Nautiyal. Uh, this, uh, this particular window will be open every day at from 4 to 5 p.m. in order to discuss about project management, and where we will be having a professionals also with the project management experience, and they are PMP certified as well. And so they will get into discussion for any of the queries which typically team come across nowadays different in their regular project management. So activities is they can discuss in this forum. So today I will just open my this one. I'll share my screen. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining this session. So this is Sohan Nautiyal, Dr. Sohan Nautiyal. So I'm currently a director and CEO for Technology Allied Systems, a startup company, IT based, which is AI powered data science and digital IT consulting and services. So today we'll be discussing about the project management and regarding project management. And regularly, this particular window will be open for 1 hour from 4 to 5, where the people will get an opportunity to discuss on the challenges which they are facing in the projects. And this is going to definitely help the team. Having said that, um, let me go in detail. Project management is required to systematically plan, execute, monitor, and complete work so that the objectives are achieved within the defined constraints. So, the certain objectives are set in while defining a project. So, those objectives are met, and the requirement based on the scope and typically the scope, time, cost, and quality based on that. Without structured management, complexity initiatives tend to suffer from delays, cost overrun, miscommunication, and failure to meet stakeholder expectation. So if it is not planned anything, any project, so there are some challenges which is regularly met either in the beginning or mid or at the end. It could be delay or cost overrun or miscommunication and failure to meet the stakeholders' expectations. So what are the things typically we have to why we want project management? And below are some of the points which we will be discussing in detail. There is a clear goal definition and alignment. For a project, there is a clear goal is defined and there is alignment towards the goal. Project management ensures that objectives, deliverables, and success criteria are clearly defined before execution. Before execution of any project, the success criteria are clearly defined so that the project works towards that particular goal. What are the key benefits? Aligns project goals within organization strategy, then defines scope, prevents uncontrolled changes, like if there are any scope creeping, suddenly scope whether it is Then what is that process to be followed if there is a scope creeping? Then establishes measurable success criteria as well. Example in typically in AI project, if you see AI implementation project, if it is in finance and where which aligns with your interest in AI business application, if it is aligned, and there is a clear might include reducing fraud detection time by 30%. So a project is started for your domain, for a financial domain. And what is the goal? Goal is to 30% reduction in cost by reducing the fraud detection. Then comes efficient resource utilization. Efficiently resource utilization is very important. Project involves people, technology, budget, and time. Typically, that is what is minimum required. The people who are developing the project, detail on which technology, then what is that budget, and what is the time frame. Project management ensures these resources are used efficiently. And functions includes like resource allocation, their allocated allocation, budget planning, then workforce scheduling, technology planning. So these are the key things. Without project management, team in may then people might work in silos, duplicate the work, the overrun certain resources, and unutilized critical skills. Then comes what is that next step is the risk identification and control. Every project carries technical, financial, and operational risk. So these three things are definitely there. Either it is technology, finance, or operational risk. And project management includes structured risk management process. It needs a structured risk management process. Steps for risk. What are the steps required typically for that? Is risk identification, then risk analysis, mitigation planning, monitoring, and response. Explain example in an AI model deployed project. Risk might include data bias, regulatory compliance issue, or model drift. So typically, these are the things which risk comes as part of the AI new projects of AI if you are going to handle. Then comes the structured planning and execution. Project management provides methodology and framework to guide execution. So it provides methodology and frameworks. Typically, common framework includes what typical for a project. Project could be waterfall model, agile, or Scrum-based project, or they could be Prince and say 2 or PMBOK framework for Prince PMI. So planning typically planning components. What is that is required for planning is work breakdown structure where you have different activities is for one particular scope and then scheduling those activities using some technology. It could be Gantt chart or what all the things components getting completed in one particular milestone. So and then a release based mechanism or whatever methodology you are using for a delivery of a project. And dependencies, there could be dependency or the activities can be run parallelly, so on and so forth. Then comes the stakeholder communication. That is very important because all the stakeholder has to be communicated in right time and at the right time and right place. Right, project involves multiple stakeholders. It could be sponsors, customers, team members, vendors, regulators. So these are the different stakeholders whom to be communicated about the project regularly, and the team members take the responsibility to deliver the things, and vendors are appraised about the project going on if it is agile project as well. And the project management established communication plan. There's a well-established communication plan, so every stake stays informed and aligned. What are the benefits? It reduces misunderstanding, improved decision making, enhances transparency. That's the thing. Then comes the quality. So ultimately, whatever is delivered, it should be accepted quality, very good quality. And project management introduces quality control, and as per the quality control and assurance process to ensure deliverables meet required standards. What are the tools? Tools, different matrices, quality matrices is used, then testing frameworks are used, then review and auditing. Regular review and auditing is being done. In software AI or AI project, quality management ensures models are accurate. Models, whatever models which you are using are accurate, secure, and reliable. Because the model which you are using, that accuracy will be the accuracy of that model is very important, and it is there is no bias decisions. Then comes times and cost control. The core role of project management is ensuring projects are completed on schedule and within budget. So every time we have to keep in mind that ensuring the project is completed on schedule and within budget. So what are the techniques which is being used? The critical path method, CPM, and value measurement, uh, and value management. There are some techniques which needs to be followed, and schedule tracking. This helps organization to avoid the project failure due to delays or cost overruns. Then accountability and governance. The project management defines roles, responsibility, and decision authority. Typical roles: project sponsor, project manager, technical lead, stakeholders. So they are the one who takes the accountability of the project, overall project by the project manager and the technical lead for technical aspects, which the components which is delivering, and ensuring the things are meeting the criteria of the stakeholders. This governance ensures clear ownership of deliverables and decisions. And let me give overall summary of this is that project management is required to ensure the projects are organized, controlled, and successfully delivered. So we have to ensure that the organization of project is done properly, it is in control and successfully delivered. It enables organization to achieve strategic objective, control cost and schedule, manage risk effectively, coordinate team and stakeholders, deliver high quality result. Let me read it. Achieve strategic objectives of the organization, because that project will be aligned to the strategic objectives of the organization. Then control cost and schedule. The cost should be in the control and schedule way. Manage risk, effectively manage risk effectively. Coordinate team and stakeholders. Deliver high quality results. So that's what I thought of discussing on the quality aspects of the project, about the project. Uh, that is it. Thanks. Thanks for your time. And the window will be open for some more time. So if you have any questions related with project management, kindly please ask over here. And then in next session, we'll be definitely taking much more other topics which are related, which are key things for a project manager and to know while running the project. Okay. And